Hey, what's up? Samsung just sent me the Note 20 Ultra 5G. Let's take a look inside. Samsung released two versions of the Note 20, the regular version and also the Ultra version that I have right now. As you can see at the top of the box, it'll tell me what color that they sent me, which is the Mystic Bronze color. There's also two other colors for the Ultra, the Mystic Black and also the Mystic White. So let's take a look inside. And there it is. Peel that. Also, I'm gonna peel the back. So as you can see, the back has a matte finish to it, and it's kind of nice. It's smooth. There's no fingerprint or grease that's sticking onto it. And this is made with Corning's newest glass, Victus, whereas the Note 20 has a plastic back. Here we see a new camera module. We've seen this before at the S20 Ultra, but we lose 100 times space zoom. I think this is smart on Samsung's end, where, you know, the 100 times X, it's nice to have, but when are you gonna really use it? Here at the top is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. The bottom is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, which has 5 times optical zoom. And here in the middle is the main camera with 108 megapixel. Let's take a look at the bottom. We see a USB-C port, and this time around there's a little design change. The S Pen sits on the left side of the phone, whereas all the previous model had it on the right. Let's power it up. And while that's powering up, let's take a look inside the box. You're pleased to know that Samsung has added the supercharger with every single unit of the Note 20. You see there's a USB cable, and it looks like Samsung is no longer providing wired headphones. And Samsung likes to hide things here at the top of the box, so I'm gonna open that up. At the back, we got the SIM card removal tool and a quick start guide. So everything that comes with the box is pretty standard. Now you don't get a headphone or anything. Here at the front is a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. This is really neat now that the fact that the S Pen is able to take advantage of this high refresh rate so that you can cut the latency down to about 9 milliseconds according to Samsung. Samsung said this is just like you're writing onto a piece of paper. And on the side note, this is a variable refresh rate, so depending on what you're doing, the screen is gonna adjust its refresh rate so that it could conserve battery as it's going. Also on the display, it comes with the ultrasonic fingerprint reader and a 10 megapixel selfie camera. I'm gonna hop into the camera app. Here we see single take, which was introduced with the S20. And if you want to take a 108 megapixel photo, you're gonna have to change that here up here to make sure you take advantage of all the extra megapixels. And this year Samsung has added a Pro video mode. Here we can see there's all these manual controls that you could take advantage of. Pretty much control everything from aperture to ISO to exposure compensation, white balance, and also audio mode. And this year with the Note 20, you can take 8K video. The Note 20 Ultra has a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor with 12 gigabytes of RAM and comes with two storage sizes, 128 gigabytes or the 512 gigabyte model. With the extra large display, it feels pretty good in my hands. I don't have large hands at all, but I'm still able to use it with one hand with ease. I like the new matte back finish here at the back. Obviously the camera module is a little too thick for me, but what can you do? So there you have it, a quick look at the Note 20 Ultra 5G and everything that comes in the box. Let me know what you guys think and check back for the full review here on CNET. Stay safe and I'll catch you next time.